Da Nang Dragon Bridge, which you will see if we can get underway over the Dragon Bridge. Alright, so here you can see the tail of the dragon. If we can get past this van, you can see the tail of the dragon. There's the head of the dragon.